Hi everyone, I'm Tom.
Hi, I'm Ali.
So this time, we are going to bring you Paso Doble to Bad Habits. We are going to break down the figures, 3 sections of it, and then we're going to dance it to the music. We do hope that you enjoy this particular exercise. So, section 1. You're going to start with 4 steps on the spot, bringing your arms up above your head, starting with your left foot. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Give me a big slide to your left and 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Step your right foot to your left on 8. Make sure that your weight is on your right leg. Now, step taps. Step your left foot in front, tap your right foot behind, and clap. Step your right leg towards the back, tap your left foot in front, and clap. Step your left foot in front and tap your right leg behind twice. Okay, step your right leg towards the back, feet together, cross your arms in front. Now we restart everything, but from the right side. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Give me a big slide to your right. On 5, 6, 7, step your left foot to your right on 8. Make sure that your weight is on your left leg. Now step your right foot in front and tap your left leg behind and clap. Step your left leg behind, tap your right foot in front and clap. Step your right foot in front, double tap with the left. Step your left leg behind and feet together. Section 2. Cross your left leg in front of your right on 1. Right leg to the side on 2. Transfer your weight back to your left on 3. Cross your right leg in front of your left on 4. Left leg to the side on 5. Transfer your weight back to your right leg on 6. Give me a big kick with your left leg on 7. Feet together on 8. Okay? Now, stomp on the spot with your right leg on 1. A small step with your left foot forward on 2. Right leg to the side on 3. Cross your left leg behind on 4. Then give me side together, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Now this time, cross your right leg in front of your left on 1. Okay, left leg to the side on 2. Transfer your weight back to your right leg on 3. Cross your left leg in front of your right on 4. Right leg to the side on 5. Transfer your weight back to your left leg on 6. Now give me a big kick with your right leg on 7. Feet together on 8. Now, stomp with your left foot on 1, right foot forward on 2, left leg to the side on 3, right leg behind on 4, side together, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, or the chorus. Okay? So give me an appel with your left leg on 1. 7 steps to walk around to your right. We go 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Now, we're going to do 2 taps with your left leg on 1, 3, 4. Then give me a lunge with your left leg and slowly get into as if you're trying to break free. 5, 6, 7, kick on 8. Then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Appel on 1, 2 steps backwards on 2, 3 feet together on 4. Give me 4 cross steps, starting with your left leg. You go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, feet together, or appel on 1, 7 steps to walk around to your left on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The same New York action with your left leg. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. But this time, as you lunge on your left leg and bring your arms up, I would like you to make some flamenco wrist action. You go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then again, you stomp on 1, 2 step backwards on 2, 3, and 4, and cross step 5, 6, 7, and